Imagine speaking a language where the words themselves sound like the clicks you might make to get someone's attention. For millions of people in Southern Africa, this is a daily reality. Click sounds, produced by creating suction in the mouth and releasing it in a burst, are found in several languages spoken by groups such as the San and Khoikhoi peoples. These clicks aren't just unusual noises, they're fully functional speech sounds, each carrying unique meaning and playing a vital role in communication. The origins of click sounds stretch deep into human history, possibly reflecting one of the oldest forms of spoken communication. Some researchers believe that clicks might have been among the earliest sounds used by our ancestors, predating many speech patterns found elsewhere in the world. Today, these captivating clicks serve as living links to our shared past, reminding us of the rich diversity of human expression. Their persistence highlights the incredible adaptability of the human voice and the creative ways people shape sound to connect, tell stories, and build culture across generations. This unique feature challenges our understanding of how language evolves and spreads, revealing a fascinating chapter in the story of human communication.